Hello guys! Welcome to our channel. I'm Irish, and for this math tutorial video, I'll be teaching all about the special right triangles. There are two right triangles that exhibits special properties, and one of them is the isosceles right triangle. So this triangle is also called the 45-45-90 degree triangle. 45. In the illustration of this triangle, there's one right angle that of course measures to 90 degree, and there are two acute opposite angles that each measures to 45 degree. This is 45, and this is 45 too. Let's name the triangle as A, B, and C. Let's name this side a small letter A. So you see, if this 45 degree angle has a side A on its opposite, then this side would be small letter A too. And let's name this side as C. These two sides are the legs, and this side is the hypotenuse, because the side that is opposite the right angle is always the hypotenuse. So remember that. This is the hypotenuse. And these two sides are the legs. Based on the Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of its two legs. So our hypotenuse here is C. C squared is equals to the legs A squared plus A squared. So A squared plus A squared would be 2A squared. We will get the square root of both of the sides. So the final answer would be A squared is equals to A, then square root of 2. So the formula for the hypotenuse is A times square root of 2. We will have an example. For example, we'll have a triangle. So it's a triangle. If the legs has a measurement of 5, find its hypotenuse. C is equals to what? So the solution. Know that the formula is hypotenuse is equals to A and square root of 2. So C would be 5 times square root of 2. This is our final answer now. See? This is easy. But what if one of the legs are missing? So for example, the given is the hypotenuse that has a measurement of 10. C is equals to 10. Find A. Our solution, we will substitute the given number, the given value in the formula that we have. So the formula of hypotenuse. So 10, hypotenuse C is 10 equals to A square root of 2. We will divide both sides to square root of 2 to isolate the A alone. So, A would be 10 over square root of 2. But then, you cannot have a radicand on the denominator, so we need to rationalize it by multiplying the square root of 2 in both the numerator and the denominator. So times square root of 2 over square root of 2. Simply then square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equals to square root of 4. Square root of 4 is equals to 2. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So, our final answer, BA is equals to 5 square root of 2. So, that's it. It's just easy, right? You just need to remember the formula of the hypotenuse and you can answer the missing parts of this triangle. So just remember this. Remember. Isosceles triangle. C is equals to A square root of 2. Now, we will move on to the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So, let's have an illustration of the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So, of course, there's one right angle that measures to 90 degree. And let's suppose that this angle is 30 and this angle is 60. Let's name the triangle again as triangle A, B, and C. A, B, C. And let's name its sides as small a, b, and c. So A, B, C. So there are three sides. There are three sides here, right? Shorter side. Second is the longer side. And the third side is the hypotenuse. So in this triangle, C is automatically the hypotenuse because it is the side that is opposite the right angle. So this is our hypotenuse. How can we determine which is the shorter and the longer side? So since this is a 60-degree angle, the side that is opposite this angle would be the longer leg, and the side that is opposite the 30-degree angle is the shorter leg. So in this triangle, B is the longer leg, A shorter. So based in the theorem 78, the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem, the formula for the hypotenuse is that 2 times the measurement, the shorter leg. So C would be 2 times A. The formula of our longer leg would be A times square root of 3. Shorter leg times the square root of 3. B is equals to. And our shorter leg would be 8. Now, let's have an example. So for example, the given value here is only the hypotenuse. So, let's suppose that the hypotenuse is equals to 6. Find the measurement, the shorter leg, and the longer leg. But what can we find first? This is the measurement of the shorter leg. Because, you see, in the formula of the hypotenuse, we already have the value of the C. So we will just substitute it, right? So C is equals to 6 equals to 2A. We will divide both sides into 2 to isolate the A row. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Then our A here will be 3. Now, I can solve the longer leg. So B would be, B is equals to, our A is 3 times square root of This is our final answer. A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 3 times square root of 3. Let's have another example. What if the given here is the value of the longer leg? Let's suppose that the value of the longer leg is equals to 9. Find the shorter leg and the hypotenuse. So, what we can solve here first is the shorter leg again, because in the formula of the longer leg, our B here is already given. So, we will just substitute. B is 9. 9 is equals to A and square root of 3. Then, we will divide both sides to square root of 3 to get the value of the A. So, our A here would be 9 over square root of 3. Then again, we cannot have a radicand on the denominator. So, we need to rationalize it again by multiplying the square root of 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. 3. So, this is simply 9 square root of 3 over square root of 3 to square root of 3 is equals to square root of 9. Square root of 9 is equals to 3, so 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. So our final answer here is equals to 3 times square root of 3. This is the value of our shorter leg. Now we can find the value of the hypotenuse. C is equals to 2 times 3 square root of 3. So 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then times square root of 3. Final answer will be 6 times square root of 3. This is our hypotenuse. Last example. In this example, the shorter leg is only the given value. So for example, our A here is equals to 7. Find B and find C. So I will solve the measurement of the longer leg first. So B is equals to A, 7 times square root of 3. Cannot simplify it further, so this is our final answer. 7 square root of 3. So now, let's move on to the hypotenuse. C is equals to 2 times A, or 7. 2 times 7 is equals to 14. So C is equals to 14. So that's it. That's the end. The 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. It's just easy, right? You just need to remember these three formulas: the longer leg, shorter leg, and the hypotenuse. So, I'll write the formula for the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. Shorter leg is equals to A. Longer leg is equals to A times square root of 3. And hypotenuse is equals to 2 times A. So that's it. Just need to remember this formula. So that's it. That's the end of my math tutorial video. I hope you all learned something from me today. Make sure to check our channel also for more math tutorial videos. That's it. Bye! Thank you for listening and see you in other videos.